push yourself out with your legs. Just try to wedge yourself out.
No.
Oh my God, Chrissy!
Can I have it?
Chrissy, don't get yourself stuck.
This is broken. I can't use it. Use this one.
Don't be so violent.
You got mud all over me.